underway. You can kill your mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every. And watch me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with Geniuswigs. Same beautiful packaging as I got before. This is a very recent package and I love the color so much. This is what the wig comes in, so I'm gonna get into that in a few. I got a branded elastic band, you know, Geniuswigs. I got this pair of wig caps and an edge brush and comb, and then finally I got this little elastic band here. This is the wig that we have today, guys. It's a gorgeous 14-inch curly bob. It's a crystal lace curly bob. Love that. This is how it looks. It's a 13 by 6.5 lace front. Alright, so that looks really good. A really nice deep parting, and the lace is already like pre-customized, so it's already pre-bleached and pre-tinted. That's lovely. In the very front here is where you have the crystal lace portion, and it's a 200% density wig. Alright, so it feels really good. It's very full to the tip, and the curl pattern, you know, is that nice standard curly pattern. Of course, it's 14 inches when stretched, right? And it's a 1B natural color. So in terms of the lace, it's already pre-cut. This is a first for me in terms of getting a pre-cut lace front. Usually I get like a pre-cut lace closure, but this is a pre-cut lace front, so this is different. And yeah, it looks pretty realistic. It's already pre-plucked and everything, so that's really nice. Came with this like center part. You could go ahead and do a side part as well if you want. So yeah, now that I show you, I'm gonna go ahead and install this. There's also a elastic band on the inside, which is adjustable, which you could use to just really help to keep the wig even more secure. What I also realized is that in terms of construction, which I didn't get into fully with you guys, doesn't have any combs or anything on the inside, no adjustable straps. So this wig is perfect for a glueless install. So we're gonna get to it. I'm just gonna go ahead and slip this on. The lace is laying really nicely. That looks good, and it's like very nice and seamless. As I said, this is a crystal lace, and you know what crystal lace is. They're like one of the most natural looking kind of laces. No baby hair is needed, by the way. All I'm gonna do is really just kind of get my spray to kind of just hold down the sides, because you know I don't want it to be flabbing like that. That's the only thing, but you really don't need to go ahead and put any product on, for the most part, like on the lace front itself, because it really blends down nicely, and I love that. So I'm gonna get my Ebony New York lace bond to do this. So I just sprayed a little just to keep the area in place, and then get my blow dryer on cool air to keep it down. It's nothing too serious, honestly. That's it. I just get my blow dryer out. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna keep the center part. It's looking so good and realistic. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of, you know, flat down the tops. I want to still keep the volume though. I'm gonna define the curls by adding some water to it in a few. But I'm not gonna do too much, you know. The hair feels really good. And just I use a little bit of my wax stick. You guys know the drill. This doesn't take long, so I think by this time you guys know what I'm gonna say, right? Yeah, this is definitely beginners friendly. You could go ahead and rock it with the hair just like this, no hassle. All right, so what I noticed is I have a little space here in the front that has no hair. That space is like a little, it's like a half of an inch. That's how we're looking. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. I'm gonna go ahead and make the parting a little bit more precise. I just get a little bit of my powder. You could totally wear the wig like this, which is a 10. It has really nice body. The fluff is beautiful, and the hair is really nice and soft. It is glueless, crystal lace. The crystal lace is always a win. Always a win. So now that I show you guys it's in its dry state, I'm gonna go ahead and get it wet so we can define these curls even more. So yeah.
And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
So this is the hair when I went ahead and just sprayed it with some water. I didn't use anything else but water, and it is gorgeous. So you know, once you just use water, the volume will come right back because you can see it already. It dries down really easy, really fast. So if you're looking to keep that voluminous look but want the curls to be more defined, a little bit of water, brush it out, does the trick every time, and it's gorgeous. Shedding is at a minimal level, very, very, very minimal. So I love that. A lot of times I really, you know, it's really annoying. I mean, dealing with curly texture, it can be a little bit of work when it's time to detangle, but you don't need curly textures that are going to be hard to detangle. This is really soft. You know, you need the softest texture possible to make your life easier. And I feel like this is really soft. It was really easy to brush out. Even though, yeah, I know it's brand new, you know, but I can say oftentimes with my past experiences with Geniuswigs, it's like they got good quality. So I'm confident in this wig, and it's perfect for the summertime. So they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. So yeah, I'm going to be sure to drop all specifications of this wig in my description box as usual. So please go ahead, check it out. The direct link to the wig will also be listed. You don't want to miss that out. As I said, it's perfect for beginners. Like, perfect. Slip on and go. Because we don't have all that time to be installing all day now. And you want to look cute with it, you know? Yeah. So I think it's a go. I think it's a win. Let me know what you guys think. Everything will be down below as usual. That's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.